Today I will discuss this factorizations tips and tricks as well as strategic. Today I will discuss this factorizations by using calculators. Yes, today I will discuss these factorizations. How to hack the factorizations? You have to know factorization trick, factorization trick, factorizations trick, factorizations trick. Know you have to know this trick to factor any sorts of questions. Suppose let's I will give one question. Suppose I will give you one questions. You have to do calculator method, very easy tips and trick. This is the questions. This is the questions to solve by using the calculator. Suppose I will give option. Option number A is 3 comma 5 by 2. B is equal to 3 by 3 comma 2. C is equal to 5 by 2 comma 2. D is 0 comma 0. Is this possible like this? The how to do factorizations by using the calculators, I will give you tips and tricks to solve any types of factorizations. So trick is this. Trick is this to solve these questions. You have to go in calculator. Go in calculator. Now, right now you have to go. That is trick you have to go in mode 5.3. First you have to go in mode 5.3. Are you understand or not what I am saying? Are you understand or not, mister? First you have to go in mode 5.3. So I will go in calculator. First you have to go in mode 5.3 and second you have to write here 2x square minus 11x plus 15. Second you have to go on here. This is the coefficient of A. This is the coefficient of B. This is the coefficient of C. So coefficient of A is equal to 2. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So coefficient of B is equal to minus 11 and C is equal to 15. Yes, we have tricks. First, we have to go on mode to solve this factorization tips and tricks. So first, we have to go on this mode 5.3. So we'll click, we'll go here. There is a mode, so we'll go on mode. Second, we'll go on this 5 number. So click this 5 number. Third, we'll go on this 3 number. We'll mode 5.3 click. Then we'll go this coefficient of x, we have to click coefficient of y and z. We have to click coefficient of a b c s. A is 2, b is minus 11, c is 15. So we'll go here, a is equal to 2. Then click is equal to second minus 11 minus 11. Click is equal to third is 15. We have to click this 15. Third is 15. And the answer will come if you click 2 times is equal to one answer is 3. Again you have to click, then you will take again one answer, that is 5 by 2. 3 comma 5 by 2 is the correct answer of this equation. So you have to read this tips and trick to solve any types of factorization question. Mode 5.3, another, that is coefficient of x, y and z. You have to decide your brain and put into calculator, then you will get answer, then you will get 100% answer. If you know mode 5.2, if you know mode 5.2, and if you tackle coefficient of a b c, then you will get the answer, then you will get the answers of any sorts of factorizations, you will get the answer. So option number A is the 100% right answer. Option number A is the 100% right answer. And we'll go on question number B. We'll go on two number. Suppose two number question is like this: 2x squared plus 5x. Suppose I'll do minus 9. Suppose this is minus 9. Yes, this is coefficient of x. This is coefficient of y. This is coefficient of z. This is coefficient of z. So I will give you answer 2 comma 3, b is equal to 2 comma minus 9 by 2. This is most important tricks. 3 comma 3, d is equal to 4 comma 4. Then how can we solution these factorizations by tricks? How? What are the method of solving? We have very easy tips and tricks to solve any kind of factorizations like this. This is asking 10 class. This is most important for 10 class student for scoring good mark. So pay attention class 10 students. This is most important for you. If you know this trick, then you'll get great mark. So first you have to understand this mode 5 and 3. This is trick mod 5 3. You'll go on calculator and you have to understand the coefficient of ABC. This is coefficient of A, this is B, this is C. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to minus 80. You have to understand this. A is equal to this, B is equal to this, C is equal to this, and you have to apply this in calculator. First you have apply this mod 5 3. First you have to apply this. Go on calculator. You have to go on calculator and apply first mod, and you have to go on this 5 number, go on 5 number, again you have to go on 3 number, go on 3 number. Yes, you will satisfy these tricks, and you have to go their coefficient of A, coefficient of B, coefficient of C. So coefficient of A is equal to 2, coefficient of B is equal to 5, coefficient of C is equal to minus 18, coefficient of C is equal to minus 18. Then you will get answer, you will get answer there. One answer is 2. Again you have to click is equal to, then you will get another answer. Then another answer is minus 9 by 2. This is answer. This is answer for this equation. Where is this answer? Which options? That option number 1, B. That option number B is 100% right answer. And we'll move question number 3. We'll move question number 3 for understanding all factorizations. If you know one trick, then you'll 100% you'll make all tips and tricks for factorizations. That factorizations play as vital roles to solving such types of activity. Means questions x square plus 13x plus 60. You have to understand. Suppose I'll give you options minus 9 comma minus 4. Suppose I'll give this like answer. Another 9 comma 4. Another 3 comma 4. Another 4 comma 3. Suppose I'll do this option. This is most important. I will give these tricks. This is most important trick to know. If you don't know this trick, then it will be helpful to you. Yes. First, you'll go in calculator. That is mod. Second, 5. Third, you'll go there. Mod 5 3 in calculator. I will teach you now. Right now, how you go. Yes. How how is our approach solving this question? And there is mentions like this. This is the equations as mentioned, and you have to know. How can you understand this is coefficient of x, y, z? So you have to know this is coefficient of x, means this is the coefficient of A, this is coefficient of B, this is C. You have to know which one of the following is the coefficient of A, B, C. So this is coefficient of A. There is nothing, so you have to understand one. This is coefficient of B, means 13. This is coefficient of C, that is 36. You have to understand this. First you have to go and calculator to put mod 5 3. First you have to go on calculator to plug mod 5 3. Right now I will go in calculator. This is calculator, and I will click on mod. Second number I will go on this 5 number. Third I will go on 3 number. We will satisfy this calculator mod 5 3. Right now I will put coefficient of x, y, then z. So I will go and coefficient of x, y, z. So value of coefficient of a is 1. Value of coefficient of a is 1. Right now I will click 1. And second is that 13. So I will click this 13. Goes on is equal to. Right now we'll go on 36. Right now 36. So we'll click. So if you want to take answer, then two times you have to click is equal to. You have to study This is equal to, this is approach is equal to, you have to click two times is equal to, then you will get answer. That answer is 1. Minus 4 is one answer. For another answer you will click again is equal to, that is minus 9. So minus 4 and minus 9 is the answer. Where is this answer? You have to look where is this answer. Minus 9 and minus 4. So option A is the 100% right answer for this question. This is most important trick. You you are not eligible to find like this trick. So I will go and move question number 4. This is also important question. First you have to do like this, calculate s, this x square minus 5x plus 6. What is the answer? Write down in comment if you know. Then suppose I'll write this 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 3, see minus 3 minus 2. Suppose I will give like this. And how to solve? What are the method of solving? There is no any such of methods. There is only tricks. Kamlesh Tricky Teacher. You have to look. That is trick. First, you have to go on calculator mode 5 3. First, you have to understand this. That is mode 5 3. First, you have to understand mode 5 3. Another thing you have to, what you have to understand means, you have to know about the coefficient of x, y, z. This is the coefficient of a, this is the coefficient of b, this is the coefficient of c. So a is equal to 1. This is the coefficient of a. There is nothing, so you have to understand this is 1. Coefficient of b minus 5. Coefficient of c, that is 6. So if you understand this, then you are very good. You are legend one. If you understand this. So first you have to go on mode. That is tick mode. Second you have to go 5 number. Click the 5 number. Third you have to click this 3 number. S. Then you will go on a number. Coefficient of A, B, C. So coefficient of A is equal to 1. You have to click 1. Then go on is equal to. You have to click minus 5. Go on is equal to. You have to click 6. Then go on is equal to. Then now you will take answer. If you click is equal to, then one answer is 3. If you click, then there is 3. And if you again click, then you will get another answer. That answer is 2. That is 2. 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 is 100% right answer. 3 comma 2 is 100 out of 100, 100% right answer. So option goes on A. 2 comma 3 is right answer. Option goes on 2 comma 3 is right answer. Suppose you want to do like this. Sir, I want to do like this. Then how can you solve? It is very easy by doing like this. Suppose there is 2 comma 3 is answer in calculator, as you know. But solving this, you have to write like x square. There is positive 2 comma 3. Then you have to write down it minus 2 comma minus 3. You have to change the sign only. Then you will solve any sorts of question like this. And you have to do in command. Just sign change. There is answer is 2 comma 3. For solving like this, you have to just change the sign. You have to solve any types of questions. You have to do like this factorizations. X into x means x square minus 2x plus minus 3 times x minus x, minus into minus, that is plus, goes on plus. So x minus 2, x minus 3. So the answer is, there is x minus 2 is equal to 0. You have to do, it means x is equal to 1 2, and there is minus, so it goes on plus. So 2 comma 3 is answer S. Then we'll move on question number 5. We'll move on question number 5. So we'll move on question number 5. This is important questions. You have to focus here. S. How to do. How to do. You will get a problem. I think you will get a problem. But by applying the calculator trick, there is no any such a problem. There is no any such a problem. Suppose I will give options. Suppose minus 2 comma 7 s, B number 7 comma 8, C number 2 comma 9, D number 9 comma 5. Then how to do? There is tricks. There is tips and tricks. First you have to go on mode 5 3. This you have to satisfy in calculator. Then you have to only check coefficient of x, y, z. Yes, this is coefficient of a, which means 1. This is coefficient of a, that is 1. And for coefficient of b, minus 5. Coefficient of c, minus 14. Yes, coefficient of b, minus 14. Coefficient of c is minus 14. This is c, this is b, and this is a. And you have to write down in calculator. That is first go on mode. Second, you have to click this 5 number, S5. So click on 5. There is 3 number, S, this form. Go on 3 number, S. You have to do this coefficient of A, B, C in calculator. The coefficient of A is 1. Go on 1 number. Coefficient of B minus 5. Go on this number. And coefficient of C minus 40. Go on minus 40. And you have to do in is equal to S. That will get an answer. That 7. One answer is 7. For another answer, minus 2. So 7 comma minus 2 is correct answer of this equation. 7 comma, what is 7 comma minus 2 or minus 2 comma 7? Option number A. Option number A is great response. Option number A is great response. Option number A is great response. Option number A is great answer. Response. And 6 number is one of the most important questions. 6 number is one of the most important questions to hack. Most important question. This is 6 number. How to do? What are the approach of these questions? Suppose I will do this option number like this, option number like this. Then how to do like this question? There is nothing. You have to use this tricks. You have to use this trick to hack any source of the question. First, mode. Go on mode 53 in calculator. You have to apply this mode 53 in calculator. And second step, that is there is 6x square minus 19x plus 10. So yes, this is coefficient of A. That is coefficient of A is 6. This is coefficient of B, which is minus 19. And coefficient of C, there is 10. So go on there and you have to apply in calculator and you'll get the answers of these equations. So I will go in calculator, that is mode. There is mode and another trick 5 3 and go on 5 number. Then we'll go on this 5 number, we'll go on 5 number, then we'll go on 3 number. That satisfy this equation mod 5 3, and we'll go on this a b c, that is coefficient of x y z, which is 8 6. A go on is equal to b is in a minus 19, b minus 19. Go on is equal to c is 10, c is equal to 1 0 10. Then you'll take answer. That one answer is 5 by 2. One answer is 5 by 2. For another answer, we'll click again is equal to, that answer is 2 by 3. That answer is 2 by 3. You'll get this answer. What is this answer? 5 by 2 comma 2 by 3. That answer A, 5 by 2 comma 2 comma 3, 2 by 3. That is the correct answer for your question. That is the correct answer for your question. That is the correct answer for your question. That is the correct answer for your questions. Now let's see move on another questions to solve these types of tasks. Suppose I will go on that is 6 number. I'll go on 7 number. That 7 number, yes. 7 number question is like this. This is easy question, but you have to know. But you have to know. Try to solve. What is the answer of this question? What is the approach? Option number is like this. B number like this, and C number 2 comma 3, 5 comma 4. This is the options, yes. Then what are the method of solving? First you have to go and calculator. First you have to move on mode, that 5 and 3, that satisfy the calculator, and you have to do coefficient of x y z. That is coefficient of A is 1, B is 9, and C is 18. So coefficient of A is equal to 1, B is 9, and C is 18. You have to apply in calculator. If you apply this, then you will get answer. Then you will get answer. So you have to apply A is equal to 1, then you will get A is equal to, for B 9, for B 9, then you will get is equal to 18. Click and is equal to, so you will get now answer minus 3. One answer is minus 3. For another, you have to click on is equal to minus 6. Where is this option? Minus 3 minus 6. Where is this option? That option number B is 100% right answer. Option number B is 100% right answer. Option number B is 100% right answer. Suppose I will change their sign. Then what will I answer? Suppose I will give these questions again. Um, Suppose I will give that 6 number question. Yes? No, 8 number question. Suppose I will give this. Suppose I will give minus sign there. Then what will you do? Suppose I will give like these questions. Suppose I will give this question. Then what is the answer of this question? Suppose I will give minus these types of options. Option is like this. What is the answer? Yes, you have to move on calculator first. That is one trick to hack all factorization. Mod 5 theory. If you don't believe, then go on book. Is their answer satisfy or not? Mod 5 3. A number coefficient of A, B, C you have to know. Coefficient of A, B, C you have to know. So coefficient of A is 1. B is that minus 9 and C is 18. You have to click on calculator to get answer. Suppose I will click their mode and we'll go on this 5 number as 5 number, then we'll go on 3 number S. Then we'll satisfy this coefficient of A, B, C. Coefficient of A is 1. You have to click on 1. Coefficient of B minus 9. Then coefficient of C is 180. That answer will be one answer is 6. Yes, and we'll click against, then we'll get another answer. That another answer is 3. It means we have answer 6 comma 3. So this answer goes on here. Option B is 100% right answer. If you don't believe, then you will go on Google, you will go on Chrome, you will go on YouTube. That's 100% answer. 6 comma 3 is 100% answer by this trick. Sure, sir. This is very important. Now you will move on question number 9. And now this is important questions. Yes. How to solve? Suppose I will give you question minus 6 comma 3 minus this and we'll go C number. Yes. C number, suppose this D number 5 comma 7. Then how to solve? How to solve? How to solve? How to solve? This is intention my brain. Yes. Oh, yes. X square minus 3x minus 80 is given. Then coefficient of A, coefficient of B, coefficient of C. So coefficient of A is 1, B is minus 3, C is equal to minus 80. This is the coefficient of A, B, C. Are you understands my language or not, mister? If you understand, then say yes. Yes, sir. If you understand, then yes, mister. Yes. First trick is that go on mode 5 3. This is tricks mode 5 3. Use in calculator. And second step is that you have to know coefficient of XYZ. That coefficient is this. You have to apply in calculator, then you will get one of them answer. So I will go on. First I will go on mode. Second I will go on 5. Third I will go on 3. Then I will apply this coefficient of A, B, C. That A is 1. I will go on 1 number. And against I will apply minus 3. First we will go on coefficient mod 5 3. First we will click on calculator mod 5 3. So I will click mod, then 5 number, then 3 number S. Then I will go here coefficient of A, B, C. Coefficient of A is 1. Coefficient of B is minus 3. Coefficient of C is minus 18. Yes. Then you will click is equal to, then you will get answer. One answer is 6. Again click, then you will get another answer, that minus 3. So 6 comma minus 3 is 100% right answer. Where is this options? That options goes on C. So this option goes on C. This option goes on C. So I'll move question number 10. I'll move question number 10. I'll move on question number 10. Question number is like this: x square minus 9x plus 20. How to solve this? How to solve? How to solve? There is trick. You have to understand the coefficient of xyz. Coefficient of xyz. If you understand, then whole life you will never forget this trick. First, you will go on mode. First, I will give some options. Then you will understand. Suppose I will give randomly like this as um, like this. How to solve? That is the method. I will teach here as from for this question. I will teach here. Go and trick. First, you follow mode 5 3. A second, you'll understand about this coefficient x square minus 9x plus 20. So coefficient of a is equal to 1. This is b. Coefficient of b is equal to minus 9 and c is equal to 20. You have to understand this. You have to understand this. That help your answer efficiently, very fast to boost your score. Now, first we'll go on calculator. That is mode. Go on calculator mode. Click on mode. Go on 5 number. Click on 3 number. Then you will get this, and you have to apply this coefficient of a b c. That coefficient of a is equal to 1. Then you have to go on is equal to coefficient of b is equal to minus 9. Minus 9. Go on is equal to coefficient of c is equal to 20. Go on is equal to. Then you will take answer. One answer is 5. Then I will write 5. You have to click again, then you will get another answer. That is 4. So 4 comma 5, where is the answer? So answer 4 comma 5, there is minus minus 3 option will close. There is only positive answer 4 comma 5. The option goes and B number is 100% right answer. B number is 100% right answer for this question. Now we'll move on question number another questions I will teach. Now I'll move on another questions. Now we'll move on another question. The question is that suppose I'll give this easy question one. You have to comment yes, understands or not. Suppose this is easy question. X square plus 5x plus 6. What? What is the answer of this question? What is the answer of this question? Suppose minus 2 comma 3. Option number A. Option number B is like this. Yes. Option number C. What is the answer? Option number D is none of them. None of them. Okay. You have to understand. First go on calculator. First go on calculator and you have to plug mod 53. Mod 53. And you have to know coefficient of xyz, coefficient of a b c. A means 1. There is nothing. So you have to understand there is 1. B 5. C means 6. You have to go on calculator. So mod 5 3 you have to go mod, we have to go in 5 number and we have to go in this 3 number. Then calculator understands you are finding factorizations. In calculator understands you are going to find factorizations and you have to only click coefficient of xyz, then you will get answer. So coefficient of a is 1 is equal to coefficient of b is equal to 5. Coefficient of b is equal to 5. And coefficient of c, that will be the 6. That will be a b c. Then you will get 6. So you will take answer by clicking is equal to. One answer is minus 2. Again click, you will get another answer. That is minus 3. Another answer is minus 3. Then you have to look in options. Where is minus 2, minus 3? Where is minus 2 and minus 3? Thank you, Mr. Reactions. Good English. I am from Nepal, but I will try to teach English. This is one of the most important lecture from me, from Nepal. So, my English is good or not, Mr. Reaction? So, option is C. That is minus 2 comma minus 3. Again comment Mr. Reactions. How is our class? That option C is great answer. And you have to great response in question number 12. You have to great response in question number 2. This is also easy. If you understand, then only. If you don't know, then that you will get problem. Suppose option is 4 comma 3. Are you understands my handwriting or not? How is my handwriting? If you don't know, then I'll write very slowly. So welcome to all of you for my channel. Try to subscribe also and share with your friends to get excellent trick like this. I will already teach that geometry topic. This is one of the awesome trick, excellent trick. You have to understand. So there is x square plus 7x plus 12, and you have to find what is the value of x as one trick, and you have to understand the coefficient of x, y, z. So x square plus 7x plus 12 is there mentioned, and this is coefficient of a is equal to 1, b means 7, and c means 12. Yes, you have to understand this. And go on calculator. First go on calculator mod 53 mod 53. First go on calculator mod 53. First go on calculator to put mod 53. I will go on calculator mod. Then against go 5. Then against will go on 3 number. Then we have to apply 1, 7, 12. Coefficient of A, B, C. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 12. And you want to take answer, then you have to click 2 times is equal to 1 answer is minus 3. We'll click 1 answer is minus 3. For another answer, we'll again click that answer is minus 4. That answer is minus 4. Then you have to look where is minus 3 comma minus 4 in option. That option goes on B, minus 4 comma minus 3. Try to subscribe my channel, please, all of you. And I will give you another questions to solve. Yes, that question is that 13 number. Yes, are you understands my language or not, misters? Please comment. If you understand, then it is okay. If you don't, then you have to say option number A 8 comma 3, B minus 8 comma minus 3, C 3 comma 7, D 7 comma 8. What is the correct answer of this question? What is the correct answer of this question? You have to understand, Mr. S. Go on calculator. Go on calculator mod 53. You have to go on first mod 53. You have to go first mod 53. Then second, you have to only understand the coefficient of x. If you understand the coefficient of ABC, then you are lucky one for the factorization. So coefficient of x is this, coefficient of y this, coefficient of z is this. This is coefficient of A, which is 1, coefficient of B 11, coefficient of C 24. You have to understand like this, and you have to plug in calculator. Suppose I will go on mod 53 first. Go on mod. Yes, we'll go on this 5 number that is mentions 3 number that is 5 number. They have to go on 5 number. Then we'll go on this 3 number. Yes. Then calculator understands. Now I'm going to solve this factorization, and you have to click also coefficient of A, B, C. Then calculator give you answer. You have to go on A, B, C. That A is 1, B is 11, C is 12. So you have to click 1, then is equal to. Second, you have to click 11. Go on is equal to. Third, you have to click 24. Then you have to click in is equal to. For answer, you have to click 2 times is equal to. I need answer. So I will click equal to. So that is minus 3. One answer is minus 3 for clicking. Again, I will click for another answer. That is minus 8. That is minus 8. Where is this answer? You have to find in option If option is not mentioned in answer, then goes on none. So option is minus 3 comma minus 8, that is B. B is correct answer. B is 100% right answer. B is 100% right answer. Let's move on another questions. How is my teaching method? Now let's move on another question. That is 14. Mm. How? Now we'll move on 14 number. Yes. That question is like this: x square minus 5x minus 36 is equal to 0. Are you understands or not, Mr.? This? Are you understands or not, Mr.? If you understand, then say S, 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 sir, S, sir, S, sir, like this. S. So I'll give one option. So that is 4 comma 3. B number take minus 4 comma 9. C number is 3 comma 5. D number is 2 comma 3. Go on calculator, mister. Go on calculator. First go on mod 53. You will remember how many times I'll write as. You will click, you will click and memorize this trick. Mod 53. Direct go on calculator. Don't write as mod. Go and click 5 3 mode 5 3 there, mode 5 3, mode 5 3. You have to memorize mode 5 3, mode 5 3, mode 5 3. As calculator understands, I'll write mode 5 3. Then you have to know this is coefficient of A. Yes, this is coefficient of B, coefficient of C. So coefficient of A is 1, so you have to click 1. Then go to is equal to, that is coefficient of B minus 5, so you have to click minus 5. Then go on is equal to, and you have to click minus 30. There is minus 30. Go on is equal to, for answer you will click 2 times is equal to, then you will get 2 answer. Click this, you will get one answer, that is 9. One answer. For another answer you will click again is equal to, again we will click is equal to, you will get another answer, that is minus 4. Minus 4, where is this answer? 9 comma minus 4. Option number B, I think. Yes, that's the right answer. That is the right answer. That is the right answer. Now I will solve these 50 number questions to build your confidence. Are you understanding or not, Mister? What I am teach, Mister Legend Boy. Now look. What is option? Try to move on option. Try to move on options. What is options? You have to say. You have to say what is option. What is option? What is option? What is option, Mister? Now Now, first move on calculator. First move on. I'll give you trick. I'll write down in trick. First tricks. Go on mode 5 3. I'll write yes. Mode 5 3. First go on calculator. Mode 5 3. And you have to understand coefficient of this A, this B, this C. Yes. Only you have to understand this. First go on mode. There is go on mode S. First go on mode. I'll go on mode S. Mode. Second you will go on 5 number. Third we will go on 3. Then you have to write coefficient of A, B, C. A is 5, B is 18, C is 9. Yes, so you have to go there. First mod 5 3 you have already mentioned in calculator, and you have to go in 5, 18, 9. You have to click. First I'll click this 5. Then go to is equal to. Then you have to click 18. Then go to is equal to. Then you have to click 9. Then go to is equal to. For answer you have to click 2 times is equal to. That is 1 equal to, I will give minus 3 by 5 is answer. For another you have to click again is equal to. That is minus 3. That is minus 3. So where is this options? Minus 3 by 5 comma minus 3. That options goes on 3. C. C is the 100% right answers for your question. C is the 100% right answer for your questions. Now we'll move on for 51 means 60 number. Now we'll move on 60 number. Yes. Are you understands my language or not, Mister? You have to say yes. If you don't understand, then you have to message. I I'm not understand, sir. Again, you have to say. If you are like this, then you have to message again and again. You have to say yes. Then I will say you yes. Let me move to the trick. Yes. First, you have to go on mode 5 3. Mode 5 3. First, you have to go on mode 5 3. So we'll go on mode. Yes. We'll go on mode. Then after 5. Then after click 3. You have to understand up to here. Then you have to go on coefficient of A, B, C. That A is 3. That A is 3. That goes on 3. Then you have to go on E is equal to, and second is that minus 27. Then you have to go on E is equal to, third is that 60. Then you have to go on E is equal to, and for answer you have to click E is equal to, one answer is 5. One answer is 5. For another answer, you will click on E is equal to, you will click on E is equal to, that another answer is 4. Where is 5 by 4? Where is 5 by 4? So option number A, there is 5 by 4. There is 5 by 4. Like this, you will look here or not, mister? Is there any problem for looking? Is there any problem? So, question number 70. You look clearly now. I will provide calculator. First, I will write question here. Then, I will provide you questions also. So, option question is like this: x square plus 7x plus 12s, and I will do, there is my, this is my calculator. Option, suppose I will write here. Option is what I'm right. Suppose option 3 comma 4, b number minus 3 comma 4, s c number minus 2 comma 4, and d number is that minus 1 comma. Go on calculator first. Go on calculator. First go on calculator. Yes. First go on mode. Yes. First go on mode. Second you have to go 5 number. There is 5 equation. Yes. Go on 5 number. Then you have to go on this 3 number. This, there is 3 number. Then go on this. There is 3 number. Yes. Then you have to go coefficient of A. There is A. Coefficient of B 7, C 12. So you have to go on coefficient of A. That is 1 is equal to, B means 7 is equal to C plus 12. Write down plus 2. You have to satisfy the calculator and you want to take answer. Then you will click is equal to, one answer is minus 3. For another answer, you have to click again minus 4. Again is equal to minus 4. So this is the answer of these equations. X square plus 7x plus 12 minus 3 comma minus 4 is 100% and right answer. Minus 3 comma minus 4. Option number B is right answer. Minus 3 comma minus 4 is right answer. Minus 3 comma minus 4 is right answer. Then you will move on. You will move on another question. I need paper. Yes, I need paper to solve another question. Thank you to all of you today watching. Next day I'll again say about these factorizations. I have no paper now, so thank you to all of you for these tips and tricks. You have to share your friend also. Try to share and be active for these preparations of my channel. Thank you to all of you, Mister. Write down in comment some things. Okay.